Yeah, the bird's nest got completely fucked. Too bad my phone's fucking up to not even be able to focus on this piece of shit. But redo all that. The screen's the fucking. It still looks really shitty, but it looks a lot better.
Yeah, there ain't no birds in there though.
You're shitting me. Really?
No birds were harmed in the making of the video.
I mean, beforehand they're completely fucked up. Oh man.
I made y'all look. Man.
Another one. We found a bird right here in the drain. I fucking Pepe made me pick it up. We did some nasty things to it.
He probably got STD. He grew some nuts, that bird.
We did things we're not proud of to that bird.
Well, he did.
Okay, so you know how the asshole's like this? I was like...
Nah, you know, remember how the bird used to be one piece? He made it into... Nah, he wasn't. He just... Andy. He don't want to know the things he did with the bird, Andy.
See, the first half of that video was a preview, and then like... You know, you gotta continue the second half on like the porn website.
www.nickisgay.com.
No, fuck yeah, that bird was a girl.
Man.
I'm like 40% sure.
No, Nick, I seen the sack.
Oh no. I thought that was a little grape attached to it.
No, Nick, birds don't have grape attached to them.
Oh no.
I was friendly.
I want to go check out those mushrooms over there.
Go for it, man. There's 3 balls.